Today, we explore Center Parcs Cottage, a modular and sustainable retreat designed by Concrete. Set within the serene landscape of Bispingen, Germany, this cottage harmoniously blends architecture with nature, creating a tranquil getaway for guests. The cottage's exterior is simple, designed to integrate into the natural surroundings. The structure consists of two prefabricated modules connected by a central living room. Large floor-to-ceiling windows seamlessly merge indoor and outdoor spaces, making nature an extension of the interior. The cottage's construction focuses on modular prefabrication, which minimizes environmental disruption and speeds up assembly. The modules were created off-site and installed on location within 2 weeks. Inside, the cottage is designed for relaxation and togetherness. The heart of the home is the spacious living room, bathed in natural light from expansive windows on both sides. Bedrooms, bathrooms, and a kitchen are arranged within the two modules. Outside, a private terrace provides a serene space to enjoy nature. The expansive windows flood the living areas with daylight, reducing the need for artificial lighting. In the evenings, soft indoor lighting highlights the natural wood finishes and adds warmth to the space. Sustainability is a central theme in the design. Organic materials dominate the construction, including cross-laminated timber ceilings, spruce wood cladding, and stone flooring. The consistent use of wood reinforces the connection between the indoors and the outdoors, enhancing the cottage's natural aesthetic. The interior decor is inspired by Center Parcs' iconic 1970s style, updated for modern needs. The living room features a reconfigurable corner sofa and a large central dining table, perfect for family gatherings. The earthy tones of the wood and stone materials create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. The landscaping around the cottage is designed to be minimal and natural. The cottages are arranged in a staggered layout to ensure privacy and uninterrupted views of the forest. The outdoor terrace, nestled in the greenery, becomes a peaceful retreat for guests to reconnect with nature. The Center Parcs Cottage offers a unique, eco-friendly retreat that brings together modular design, sustainability, and natural beauty. It's a perfect getaway for families seeking a balance between modern comfort and the serenity of nature. This design encapsulates an innovative approach to modular construction, blending it with an immersive nature experience.